Did you know woodworking is one of humanity's oldest crafts? It dates back to 400 AD. Today, it is more than just a craft, though. It's a booming industry where you can turn your passion into profit. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own woodworking business, you can do it with less than $1,000. Imagine making up to $100,000 a year from the comfort of your own home. At the following website, I'll provide the essential tools and insights you'll need to kickstart your profitable home-based woodworking adventure. No need for expensive workshops or advanced skills. Just the right knowledge to choose profitable products, find your market, and succeed. Are you ready to turn your woodworking passion into a profitable business? Click on the link so we can help you achieve your dreams.